How to install Android in Windows system step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can actually download and install the Android official SDK from its official website. And then after that, I'm going to show you that how we can actually install Java that would be compatible with Android so that we may be able to run our Android application in Windows system. Because without installation of Java, we can't get along with Android applications. And the last thing I'm going to show you in this video that which emulator is the best emulator and fastest emulator that suits the Android official application. So let's get started. As you can see that I am in the official website of developer.android.com/index.html file. And here what you really need to do is to click on the Get the SDK button, and it will get you to another page. And this page, as you can see that I am actually confronted with the Get Android SDK text. In here, just you have to click on the Download SDK button. After clicking on it, you will be directed to another page, and in this page they will be actually demanding to agree to their terms, and you're just going to have to check out this button. And after that, they will be asking you to select which platform you are using, either 32-bit or either 64-bit. Well, I'm just going to select either one of it, because if you are using 32-bit operating system, then go ahead with one of these options and click on the Download SDK button. After that, it will begin to download inside your computer. I'm just going to cancel it because I have already downloaded the ADT bundle pack for Windows, as you can see that on my desktop. The next thing I want to show you that how we can install and download Java. I'm just going to get back in here and go to the official Oracle website, that is www.oracle.com/index.html. In here, you're just going to have to click on the download option in here, as you can see that, and you will be directed to another page in here. In here, as you can see that we have the Java option in here available, and we have the four options: Java EE, Java SE, Java ME, and Java Runtime Environment. Java EE is actually used for Java Enterprise Edition, and it is for Standard Edition, it is for Mobile Edition, and it is a Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment is only used for applications like Java and other applications like if you are not making any application other than Java, then you really don't need to have Java Runtime Environment. But we're going to be actually downloading Java Standard Edition, which contain most of our basic libraries for creating Android application. I'm just going to click on Java SE in here. And now we will be directed to a page, Java Standard Edition download. In here we have two options, that is Java Platform JDK 8.5 and Java 8.5 and NetBeans 8.0. And NetBeans is actually an IDE, integrated development environment, which actually is used for coding purpose of your Android applications and Java applications. I'm just going to download the JDK option that is actually used for Java Development Kit, which contain the basic stuff in order to run Android application. I'm just going to click on the download option in here, and then I'll be confronted with this page. I'm just going to accept the agreement in here, and then there will be several different options. If you are a Linux user, you can select one of these options. If you are a Mac user, you can go ahead with that. But if you are a Windows user, you can either select a 32-bit platform or a 64-bit platform, either one of it. After clicking on it, it will begin to download, and after you have downloaded this software, this Java JDK, it will be actually looking like that. You're just going to have to double click on it, and it will begin to download install in your computer. I'm just going to show you a demo in here. I'm just going to get back into C file, into program files, and double click on Java, and as you can see that JRE8 is installed in my computer. That is referring to the JDK Java Development Kit. So in here now we have installed the Java. We really don't need to set any kind of path, but we're gonna have to just extract this folder inside that folder where Java is installed. So as you can see that I have Java installed inside program files, so that is why I have also put this ADT bundle pack inside that folder. So I'm going to double click on it, and here you will be confronted with three folders or three files. Like one is the SDK manager, The other one is Eclipse. The Eclipse is actually an IDE which is used for coding purpose and other debugging purpose. And if you get back, you will be finding out the SDK manager, that is a software development kit manager, which is very helpful in installing additional components to your Android SDK. And not only that, but it is very helpful in order to configure your official Android emulator for your Android applications in order to test your applications in that emulator. So now we have the SDK manager and we have the Eclipse. We can double click on Eclipse icon in here, and then the Eclipse will begin to open. I have already opened the Eclipse in my computer, as you can see there, and this is the initial page or initial interface you're going to be actually facing out when you open the Eclipse, and this is where you're going to be actually creating your applications for Android. I'm just going to get back in here. In the upcoming videos I'm going to show you that how we can work on with the software development kit manager and how we can configure the official Android emulator. But for the sake of simplicity and example, I'm going to show you one thing, which is actually an Android emulator much faster than the official Android emulator, that is 10 times 20 times faster than official Android emulator, and that one is a Bluestack. This is available at www.bluestacks.com, and you just have to download it for Windows platform. And if you are actually user of Mac operating system, you can download it for Mac operating system too in here. So when you just download it, and then you're gonna have to follow on a few of the basic simplest set of files procedures, and after that this app will be installed inside in your computer. And after that you install inside in your computer, this is the logo icon of Bluestack, and this is how the Bluestack look like. And this is how our Bluestack look like. As you can see that this is the app player, which will actually show you the top Google Play apps which is currently enrolled, and as well as other apps. If you scroll to the bottom, this is very important and this is very easy to use player. Not only that, but you can download apps from Google Play via Bluestack app player. And as you can see that when you actually install or try to run an app inside Eclipse, that app will be appear in here in this section, and then you will be able to actually work it out. And this is how, with the help of Bluestack, we can run the Android application, test the Android application 10 times 20 times faster than the official Android application. So now we have reached to the conclusion of this video, as we have actually downloaded the Android developer kit, and then we have extracted it to the C folder. After that we have actually downloaded and installed Java, and after that I have shown you that how Bluestack could be downloaded and installed, and how it would be very useful as compared to the Android official emulator in performance.